Hello! We are the Capstone Design team consisting of 3 undergraduate students majoring in global communication. This time, I would like to introduce Yammi, a cafeteria ordering application. Yammi is currently used by KHU University. During lunchtime, it takes a lot of time to order when there are many people. But with the Yammi you can easily order without having to stand in a long line. The Yammi is available at the food court located on Woojung 1. I'll introduce you to how to use the application now. I will explain how to sign up for the Yammi application. First, install the Yammi from the Google Play Store or the App Store. You can easily sign up by choosing between a Kakao Talk account, a Naver account, a Google account, or an email account. Next, enter your account and proceed with the identity verification process. If you agree to the terms of use and set the payment password, the membership registration will be completed. Touch the Home button and select Campus from the top left. If you do this, your membership is simply completed. The second is how to place an order with an application. First, select the restaurant you want from the main page of the application. Then, select the menu you want on the restaurant page. Click the shopping basket icon in the menu picture to put it in the basket. And then tap the basket icon in the bottom right of the screen to go to the order page. Next, check the menu and quantity on the order sheet page. After selecting payment options such as discount coupons, Yammi points, and cash receipts, press the payment button at the bottom to proceed with the payment, and your order will be completed. The third is how to make a reservation order. First of all, click the time selection button on the food menu at the bottom of the menu description. Click the desired time zone, and then click the schedule. However, one thing to note is that you can only reserve during the time when there is an orderable quantity, and you cannot make a reservation during the time when out of stock is written. Fourth is how to check the order details. The order details that have been paid can be found on the order details page on the menu tab below. The top of the page shows the order you are currently processing, and the last order item below shows up to 3 recent orders. Click the More Last Orders button at the bottom of the page to see more past orders. Fifth is how to change the order menu and quantity. Before you make a payment, click the shopping basket icon at the bottom right of the screen to go to the order page to change the quantity or to delete the menu. If you have completed your order, you must cancel the order and place a new order according to the menu and quantity you want to change. However, please note that you cannot cancel your order after cooking begins. Lastly, it is how to receive food after ordering. When the food is cooked, a push notification will be sent to your smartphone. Go to the order history page and click on the appropriate order to go to the order number table page. You can also click on the cooked push notification to move immediately. Press the blue touch and show to pickup counter button at the bottom of the order number screen and show the change screen to pickup counter. Press the receive button at the pickup counter and receive the ordered menu. We've learned how to use the Yammi application. It's simple and not that hard, right? We will provide a lot of help until the day when all students conveniently order food courts. Thank you for watching until now. Enjoy your meal with Yammi.